Hey guys, we're out here AOCleaning, floor care and restoration. Guys, we're at it again. We're at a client in Belleville, Illinois, Christchurch. This guy reached out to us a couple weeks ago. Came out, did some measurements, booked an in-home consultation. Loved it, booked on the spot, got his deposit, and then we're out here today. And also, last week we was at his house and also in Belleville, and he's excited to get his floors fully sanded, stained and recoated, and they'll probably put that on the schedule for September. So we'll probably get it a half down deposit from him to lock in his week, and then also order his products. That way no one can take his position and he's good to go. So other than that, guys, again, if you haven't done so already, if you're new to my channel or new to following us, be sure to hit the bell on YouTube and subscribe to our channel on Facebook and give us a follow. Be grateful that you did. And again, we're just a resource to help educate you guys on a company like ourselves who can safely and effectively save your floors. We can clean them, maintain them, or restore them. First and foremost, we like to keep them hygienic, and second, we make sure they look great without the fraction of the cost of replacement. So again, if you haven't done so already, give us a little love, and also check out our website, 𝐿𝐴𝐶leaninghardwoods.com, or AOCleaning.com. And of course, we do everything hardwood related, whether it be engineered, solid, luxury, laminate, or pre-finished. AO's got you covered. Actually, our main guy that on that picture there, he's here today helping us out. He usually does sanding for me, but today he's doing a screen recoat because it's a bigger area and I need some help. So other than that, let me show you what we're doing. Hey, let's go. All right, guys, we got this floor we're doing, this church in Belleville, Illinois, Christchurch. You can see this is solid hardwood floor, 3-inch plank. And we're gonna braid it, do some small color corrections, and then coat it with a satin sheen. And we already are removing the vents now. You can just see we're gonna kind of make this look a little better. Same day service, a little older, and we'll get it back to the state. We got Jerry on the scene with us, gonna make it happen, and we'll keep you updated on the results. It's got about 2,350 square feet, and we're gonna get her going. All right, guys, you can see we're gonna do a screen and recoat today at a church in Belleville called Christchurch. And need a little TLC. We're gonna do some small color corrections and do braid it, screen it down, and coat it with a satin sheen, water-based polyurethane. And you can just see here that, we're gonna color correct those, screen this down, and then do a satin sheen and give it a little more love, a little more life, so to speak, and get it to a satisfactory, improved look and feel. And we're gonna get her going. So this is the same day service, a little older, convenient. And they did not want to go through the full sand, just due to the cost and the convenience of it. So we're gonna do the same day service, which is the fraction of cost of sanding and just convenient, and they can be back in service. So we're gonna take care of that. Got my other technician, Jerry, on the scene with me. And this is about 2,356 square feet. And just your common old solid wood floor, 3-inch plank, 3/4 thick. And that's what we got going on. So we just removed all the vents here momentarily, and now we're gonna get started. Stay tuned. Hey, let's go.
I took some of that weight off because that paint from the last screen.
All right, guys, you can see we're going good. Screening this floor. It's going. Got a good cut. Again, we're doing this church here in Belleville, Christchurch, 2,400 square feet of solid oak, red oak. And we're getting it revived and restored for them. Same day service. All right, guys, a little recap. We have already abraded and edged all this area. Me and Jerry already got all this done. I'm getting ready to tack the floors and then water pop it, and then we're going to start coating here probably another hour and a half. So we have to go a little aggressive over here, so we're going to go a little aggressive so it has a proper bond and get this floors back to the original condition. So all right guys, a little update, stay tuned. AOCleaning has you covered. AOCleaning.com. All right guys, a little recap. We have already abraded and edged all this area. Me and Jerry already got all this done. I'm getting ready to tack the floors and then water pop it, and then we're going to start coating here probably another hour and a half. So we have to go a little aggressive over here, so we're going to go a little aggressive so it has a proper bond and get this floors back to the original condition. So all right guys, a little update, stay tuned. AOCleaning has you covered. AOCleaning.com. All right guys, we're tacking the floor now, vacuuming up all the dust, and then we'll water pop it. Stay tuned. All right guys, a little update. I already tacked and vacuumed this. We're now screening this area down, as you can see, and going through a little bit of different grits because of the floor and just the adhesion issues it has with the prior coating because they did it themselves. And we're going to take care of it today using different grit patterns. And that's why it's always a good idea to hire a professional like AOCleaning for Care Restoration, because we are the experts and we have you covered. All right guys, we're going to let Senior finish up here and do it to it. We'll keep you updated at the final results. And guys, it's going to be absolutely amazing. All right guys, we got Jerry finishing up over there. So I already water popped this and tacked it. And I'm gonna do a little color correction with some mahogany. And I'm gonna see if that's gonna blend in any of these areas that need a little attention, and do a small color correction. And that should be good. And then I'll coat it with 2 coats of poly, and that should be a wrap. But it's looking good. Stay tuned. All right guys, we already screened this down. We're getting ready to tack it and get this floor with a nice coating of satin sheen. They're gonna love it, guys. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, a little update. We're rolling now. As you can see, it's going down good. This is the first coat of polyurethane, and we're doing it. It's gonna look beautiful.
It might soak in a little bit, but it'll take on the next coat, you know what I mean?
Exactly.
Yes, sir. I get this, then I start. I might go a touch heavier in here, just to kind of fill in.
Okay,
Maybe a little bit will help.
you got it.
Hey, these are down the small ones. They were gigantic ones.
All right, guys, it's going down beautifully. Look at that beautiful top coat, guys. So satisfying. Client's gonna love it. All right, guys, we just got back from lunch, and look at how beautiful these floors turned out. This beautiful church. They're gonna love it, guys. This was the screen and recoat, same day service. We did all the color correction as much as we could. And then this is the satin sheen. What a difference. You guys remember how just scratched up, you know, different sheens, especially right through here. This is the difference that this made, guys. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow. Check it out. Beautiful. That's what we do, guys. About 2,400 square feet. And we saved it. As you can see, I'm walking on it in one day. Nice. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. All right, guys, this is the second coat. As you can see, we're putting it down now, and the client absolutely loves it. And yes, it's turning out good, guys. We restored this floor, same day service. You can walk on it, and fraction of the cost. So, another great job by AOCleaning. You guys have a good day. Reach out if you need our help. AOCleaning.com.